Hello, SUNY Broome students. I'm Kevin Drumm, president of the college. First, I hope everyone is safe and staying mostly at home, going out only to find necessities. Social distancing and frequently washing our hands are the two best ways to stop the spread of this virus, I'm sure you all know. Hornets seem to have learned that lesson well. Thank you for practicing good antivirus protocols. Next, I want to say how much we miss seeing you around campus. Our campus was built for you, and it just won't be right until it's safe for all of you to return. By now, I hope you've settled into your distance learning routine. It's so important to make the best of any crisis wherever possible. And one big way to make the best of this bad situation is to continue your studies. Making the best of a bad situation is one of the greatest life lessons any one of us can learn, and in fact, our governor was speaking to that concept today. What a time we have now to learn or to relearn it for those of us who have been through tough times before. Our 2020 and 2021 graduates of SUNY Broome will have a special stamp on their diplomas, even if only virtual. I triumphed in the face of great adversity. We look forward to seeing you back on campus as soon as it is safe, and in the meantime, be safe and persevere. You'll be thankful for it for the rest of your life. Bye and be well. Now, I'd like to turn it over to Daniel Todd, president of our Student Assembly, for some encouraging comments from a student perspective. Dan, you're on.
Hey everyone, my name is Daniel Todd and I am the current SUNY Broome Student Assembly president. The past few weeks have been very difficult for everyone. Classes have moved online, students have moved out of the dorms, and work schedules have changed for many. The SUNY Broome Student Assembly has moved completely online by using tools like Zoom, Google Drive, and email. While online, we have worked to make our food pantry a SNAP chapter, have begun work to reach out to the student body about the issues dealing with online classes, and have set the groundwork for several projects next semester. The Student Assembly has been hit hard this semester. We had a big change with a new advisor, budget cuts, and have had to work around COVID-19. Because of these issues, many of our projects have become more difficult. The Student Assembly wants to benefit the campus as much as we can, so some projects will be postponed until next semester. As all of you are aware, moving online has been a hassle. Classes moving online have understandably caused issue for many campus members, myself included. I have gotten countless emails from professors giving updates on class changes. At first it was difficult for me to keep up with emails and Blackboard, but eventually I got the hang of it. I have 3 tips for students studying online. First, make sure you are checking your Gmail and Blackboard regularly. I suggest checking it when you get up in the morning, at noon, and an hour before you go to bed. Secondly, try doing work for your classes when your classes would be. Setting a routine time for classes will greatly increase your chances of getting a good grade. Lastly, stay active. Staying active at home can greatly improve your mental and physical health and will benefit your academic life. We care about the student body and would still like to hear about your issues on campus. You can contact me through my email, toddda@acad.sunybroome.edu. Remember to stay home and stay healthy.